place called Whaea over in the East Coast, Tairāwhiti, Haranui to Whaea. We moved down to Invercargill in 1978. Where I did my high school years down in Invercargill. I started my music career down there, learning music at high school, learning the baritone, then moving up onto the euphonium. I also had to go with soprano cornet. There was a call for a reo to be established in the Tahola Te Waipainamū. And at that stage, I think the karanga came from an old Apotoro Rihita. I think he was a runanga at the time, and his name was Poai Manahi. Poai Manahi was a thing Apotoro Rihita of Te Waipainamū, based in Christchurch. It actually was originally brought up in Whaea by the Te Amo Whaea, and then marae was Haranui marae over in Te Roi o Te Wairoa, and then marae was one of the first maraes Taupōtiki Wiriwiri Rātana visited while he was over in Whaea. Our colour, gold blazers, blue trim. The gold represents the māngai. The blue represents the veil that the whāo Katoa wore on her head. It was the veil that was the colour of her veil. And also we have the tohu, which is the red encompassing of the vernal moon. And it was only worn by our āwhina, the only ones that have this tohu. So it was fitting that Te Whāo Katoa was the name given to us. The TWMSB underneath here represents the Te Waipainamū Morehu silver band. So hence we are the Te Reo Te Whāo Katoa, and we come from Te Waipainamū, and we are the Morehu silver band from that area.